Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to set a photo as a background on Canva. You can upload your own photos or get a stock photo from Canva. To set the photo as a background, right-click on it and click Set Image as a background. Now the photo is set as a background. To edit it, double-click on it. You can resize it, you can make it bigger but not smaller. To remove the photo as a background, right-click on it and click Detach Image from Background. Now the photo is detached. You can also search for a stock background image on Elements. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.